Good morning, students. Let us learn new letter. That is F. F. Now, can you tell me which sound come out from letter F? Yes, the sound come out from letter F is F. F. F says F. F says F. F. Food. F. Food. F. Flag. F. Flag. F. Flag. F. Folks. F. Folks. F. Fire. F. Fire. F. Family. F. Family. F. Fish. F. Fish. F. Frog. F. Frog. F. Farmer. F. Farmer. F. Football. F. Football. F. Fish. F. Fish. F. Family. F. Family. F. Food. F. Food. F. Flag. F. Flag. F. Folks. F. Folks. F. Fire. F. Fire. F. Frog. F. Frog. F. Farmer. F. Farmer. F. Football. F. Football. Now revise phonic sound of letter F and find out new words.